Hello guys, welcome back. You're watching Tech Guru. Right here in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to upload videos on your Google Drive. You can as well upload videos, music, document so as to back up your files. And in case, sometimes when you have files in your phone will get formatted or you got missing on all of that. So if you back up your files on Google Drive, you can get them anytime you want, like from it will be there for like 100 years to come without being missing, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do that real quick. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, please do what to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more latest content, guys. So to do that, if you just go to your Play Store. So going to your Play Store, you search Drive. Coming to your Play Store, you have to click on this search button. Then right here, you search Drive. You can see it right here. So once you search Drive, you see this particular app right here. The reason why you are installing the app is for what? Easy access, guys. So that anytime you want to access your files which you have saved in your Drive, you can easily access it real quick. You can see mine is already installed. So I'll just have to go to my Drive right now. You can see it right there. I'll open my Drive app. So you can see here is my Drive app. So once you download the app successfully, all you have to do is just to sign in with your email account. You can see it right here. Mine is already signed in. You choose the account in which you want to save your document successfully on Drive, guys. So another important thing right here, once you have it, you have 15 gig free. Clicking here, this icon right here, once you click on this icon, you can see right here you have 15 gig free to store document as much as possible, guys. So once you are here to upload documents here on your Drive is so easy and real quick. So you can see right here, to do that, you just click on this plus button right here. You can see this plus button right here. You just click on this plus button. So once you click on plus button, you click on upload. So clicking on upload right here, you're gonna see all your documents will be displayed right here. So all you have to do is to choose your file location. So once you choose your file location, you are good to go, guys. Once you choose your file location, you choose the location which the file is, whether it's a document, it's a picture, or all of that. You can see it right here. So once you you just choose the location depending on where the location is. So once you are done doing that, you just click on the image in which you want to upload. You can see it right here. You can see the image will be shown. You can see this is the picture I want to upload right here. The location is your Drive. You can see, clicking right here, you can see the location. But the location, you leave it to be on your Drive. Then you choose the email account you want the file to be saved in. So once you're done, you click on where it says upload. So clicking on upload right here, you can see preparing. You can see right here, preparing to upload your file. You can see one upload complete. So you can see right here, this is the picture I've uploaded here successfully. You can see the picture is right here. It will be here if in 100 years to come without being missing, guys. So all you have to do, just come right here, do that. You can see the picture I've uploaded here successfully. It depends on the documenting which you want to upload here on your Google Drive. You can decide to upload your videos, documents, and all of that. So simple and straightforward. So that is how to upload documents or videos on Google Drive. So if you find this video useful, please do what to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more latest content, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next video.